How couple can maximize social security benefits DTV Fab. Did you know one wrong social security decision could cost married couple over 250k dollar during retirement? Most couples claim benefits too early without understanding how spousal and survivor benefits really work. The result is smaller monthly check for life. In this video, I will explain the smartest social security strategy for married couple step by step so you can maximize retirement income and avoid expenses mistake that millions of retirees unknowingly make every year. Marriage should change social security rule. Marriage give couple more social security option compared to single people. A spouse may qualify for a spousal benefit worth up to 50% of the higher earner benefit amount. Couple can also choose different claiming age to increase total household income, but having more option also create more chance to make mistake. Choosing the wrong strategy can permanently reduce monthly retirement check for both spouse throughout retirement. Full retirement age matters. Your full retirement age play a huge role in determining benefit amount. For many people today, full retirement age is between 66 and 67 depending on your birth date. Claiming benefit before full retirement age permanently reduce monthly check. This reduction affect not only person benefit but also spousal and survivor benefit later. Many couples rush into early retirement without realizing how much future income they were giving up forever. Delaying benefits can increase income. Social Security reward patients every year you delay benefit after full retirement age increase your monthly payment by around 8% until age 70. This can create thousands of extra dollars every year during retirement. High earners especially benefit from delaying because larger retirement check later also increase future survivor benefits. In many cases, delaying benefits become one of the smartest long-term financial decision married couple can make. How spousal benefits work. Social Security first calculates your own retirement benefit using your highest 35 years earning. Then it compares that amount to your possible spousal benefits. If the spousal amount is higher, Social Security adds extra money to match the larger benefit. However, once you begin collecting benefits, switching strategy later is usually impossible. That's why understanding your option before applying becomes extremely important for maximizing retirement income. Claiming early can cost couples thousands. Taking Social Security at age 62 may sound tempting, but it can dramatically reduce total household income. For example, a higher earner receiving $2,000 at full retirement age might receiving only $1,400 when claiming early. The spouse benefit could also shrink from $1,000 to around $650. Together, the couple may lose nearly $1,000 every month simply because they claimed benefits too early without proper planning. Survivor benefits are extremely important. One of the biggest social security mistake couple make is ignoring survivor benefit. When one spouse pass away, the survivor spouse usually keep only one check, the larger one. This means maximizing the high earner benefit can protect the surviving partner later in life. Delaying benefits may create much larger survivor payments for decades. Many financial experts recommend higher earner delay benefit especially for this reason. A special rule for divorced spouse. Even divorced people may qualify for Social Security spousal benefits if a marriage lasted at least 10 years and the person remains unmarried. They may receive benefit based on their ex-spouse work history. Divorce survivor benefit may also continue after an ex-spouse dies. Surprisingly, multiple former spouses can sometimes qualify on the same worker earning record. Many people never realize these hidden social security options even exist. Why file and suspended mostly disappeared. Years ago, some couple used a strategy called file and suspend to maximize social security income. One spouse filed benefit temporarily while allowing larger retirement benefit to continue growing. However, rule change removed this option for most retirees after 2016. Today, only certain older individuals born before January 2, 1954 may still use restricted application strategy. Most couples now rely mainly on smart timing decision instead. Smart retirement strategy for couples. Financial experts often recommend higher earner delay Social Security as long as possible, especially until age 70 if healthy allow. Couples with similar income may both benefit from waiting until full retirement age or longer because many retirees live into their 80s and 90s. Larger monthly check later often produce greater lifetime income overall. Careful planning today can provide stronger financial security for both spouses during retirement. Social Security decision affect not just one person, but both partners throughout retirement. Understanding spousal benefits, survivor benefits, claiming age, and delayed retirement strategy can help couple avoid costly mistakes and maximize lifetime income. Even one smart decision could add thousands of extra dollars every year. If this video helped you understand Social Security better, like this video, subscribe and share if with someone planning for retirement.